Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed and all parts is a one by one is designed here, and this is a final assemble here and how to this body is assemble, and today discuss here animation and all parts is one by one is separate here, automatic and automatic is a collapse here, and this is a rotation all this body, and also the handle is also rotate here. Okay, this animation is a starting this play from a start. Then at first rotation is all assemble body, and this handle is also rotation, and a spindle is also rotate here. You can see here easily and clearly, and one all parts is one by one is separate here, and automatic all is a collapse here. A time is a setting easily and clearly. Okay, all points are perfect, and let's start here this process and how to all process is learn here easily and clearly. Then start here at first drawing this and motion is a start here, and click this new motion is a start here, click OK, and this first motion is a delete here because this motion is extra, and use this is perfect and correct. Okay, and this body is drawing here, and this motion is a start here. Okay, and this motion is a start here, and this right click and going to this create a new motion is also perfect. Okay, and at first drawing this body. Okay, and at first drawing a expanded view, use and this is apply here, and all is one by one is separate here easily and clearly, and this nut is and second is this handle drawing here this okay, and next is this part, and this is a perfect and second is this part. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this small parts is drag here. Okay, and this is a spindle is a perfect. Okay, and select this upper side is a this and this is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, all is a perfect, and click OK, and this body is going right click and going to collapse, and all is a collapse here, and again select expand exploded, and all is a this is a collapse. Okay, all is perfect, and next is apply here this okay, going to animation wizard, and then this assemble body is rotate here, and rotate model, and apply here this and axis of rotation is a select, and axis of rotation is a y axis, number of rotation 1 clockwise, and next, and this is a perfect and correct, and 6 duration second is 6, and start time is 0. Then apply a calculate the motion start here this is perfect and correct. Okay, and next is a animation wizard exploded view, and going to next, and a start time is 6 second, and this is a 11, and duration second is 11, and finish, and also apply a animation type is collapse, and then click next, and this use a duration is 11, and this use a 17 is a perfect, and click finish. Okay, and calculate this This is a perfect and correct, and all one by one is a okay, all is one by one is correct and perfect. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Automatic all parts is a exploded, all is a collapse. And this spindle is a rotation here, this handle is rotation here, then apply a motor, and rotation is this, and going to this rpm is a 20 rpm is perfect, and click ok. And this is a calculate here this body, and all is a learner, and and all is a perfect and correct. This is a looking very nice. Okay, all is a looking perfect and correct. Okay, all is a all parts is one by one is exploded here, and automatic is all is a collapse here. And okay, okay, all is a perfect and correct. And again select play from a start, then this body is a rotation, and all is looking perfect. And this process is learner a beginner a student is very very important. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here one by one. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.